Hi everyone, I'm Doug Black of Inside HPC, and we're at the SC24 conference here in Atlanta. I'm at the Intel booth, and with me is Rod Burns and Shobhan Jha. And Rod is with Codeplay. Rod, tell us about your full title and this dual role that you're going to talk about with us today.
Hi, so my name's Rod Burns. I'm the VP of Ecosystem at Codeplay Software. We're a compiler and library company working out of Scotland. I'm also the chair for the steering committee for the UXL Foundation, also known as the Unified Acceleration Foundation.
Great, and Codeplay is an Intel company, as I understand it.
Yeah, Codeplay is a wholly owned subsidiary of Intel.
Okay, great. And Shobhan, you're with oneAPI. Tell us about your title and role at Intel.
I'm the Director of Product Management for our software development products, oneAPI.
Okay, great. Now, starting with you, Rod, I understand you had you've already had a pretty high-level discussion with some open source experts here at the conference. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we talked yesterday about how open ecosystems are so important for the industry, and I guess with the proliferation of hardware, different types of processors that's coming into particularly the AI sector, we were talking about the importance of software being able to work across different processors irrespective of the vendor. And one of the real conclusions that we came to is that open standards and open source are really crucial for that.
Okay, and on the UXL front, tell us about some of the new initiatives you're involved with that foundation.
Yeah, sure. So the UXL Foundation's just over a year old, and we've been spending a lot of time setting up things that are really important for the open ecosystem, like open governance, open decision making, also things like public build infrastructure that are really important for getting the community to collaborate on these projects.
Great. And Shobhan, on oneAPI, it's now 5 years old, and update us on the adoption of oneAPI in the industry and the significance of that.
Yeah, thanks for the question. oneAPI, we just released the 2025.0 version of the product line. 5-year anniversary of oneAPI is a testament to the industry's enthusiasm and excitement around the product line, which helps developers write applications that are performant productively on platforms that they choose. We've gotten great adoption of the products across various segments in the industry. So.
And Rod, back to you. Explain to us the significance, the importance of open software adoption for HPC and AI workloads across heterogeneous environments.
I think, it's one of the most important things that software developers are really looking for. The way that open source software works, a bit like the way that Linux has become such a widely adopted operating system. Open source allows the whole community to get involved in the project, to get involved in the governance, the direction, and the future of those. And that's really what helps to make it compatible with everything across the whole ecosystem.
Now, Shobhan, for people testing the use of oneAPI, what sort of support services does Intel offer?
We encourage them to go to the Intel Tiber AI Cloud in order to easily access the latest and greatest software tools.
And where can people learn more about oneAPI and Intel?
We have a lot of great information on our website. You can just search for Intel oneAPI and a lot of fantastic, you can download products from our website as well. And also some great documentation, use cases, examples, testimonials from a broad set of customers who have had a successful experience using tools to write their applications.
And Rod, you too, where can people learn more about the UXL Foundation?
So you can obviously go to our website, that tells you a bit of information about that. But really what we're looking for is to bring the community together. I've talked about open decision making. That's something that's really important. We want people to participate on RFCs and things like that that are being raised on the GitHub projects. You can also join the special interest groups and the working group to help guide the direction of the foundation. And that's what we're looking for.
All right. Rod, Shobhan, thanks so much for your time.